Hi, I am Katie from the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today we are going to be making the Moon and Back roll-on from the April Simply Earth recipe box. The recipe and the sleepy oil and the copaiba oil came from the April box, and then the coconut oil and the roll-on container came in the bonus box that you get every 6 months, filled with additional supplies that you'll need to complete the recipes. So if you want to get in on this subscription box fun, you can go to Simply Earth, and if you type in the code THECRAFTYFREE with no spaces, you will get a $40 gift card with the purchase of your first subscription box. And the boxes are $39, so you're basically getting one, buying one and getting one free, and that is a great deal. Or of course you can use that $40 gift card on other supplies from their website. So let's go ahead and make our roll-on. I'm going to take off the lid off my little roll-on container and take off the roller ball part. And we are going to start with 4 drops of Sleepy. I love this oil. 4 drops of Sleepy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was Sleepy. Okay, and now we're gonna do copaiba, I think is how you say that. And we're gonna do 2 drops of copaiba. 1, 2. And that was the copaiba. Then we are going to take our coconut oil, and we are just going to fill our jar the rest of the way with the coconut oil. This is the carrier oil. Okay, and that's it. That's all there is to it. We just put that little roller ball stopper back in. We can put our lid on. And I spilled a little bit, so I'm going to wipe the outside of that off. And the really cool thing about the kits is they come with the stickers. So once you make the recipes, you've got these easy peel stickers that you can put right on your little containers here. And we did the Moon and Back roll-on. So it's an easy peel sticker, it comes right off. And we're just going to put that on our jar here. Try and line it up. And there is our Moon and Back roll-on. Now this roll-on, you apply to your pulse points to help support calm and relaxation. So you can put it on your wrists, behind your ears, and use it when you need those little moments of peace. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of my tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.